Hey guys, Brad Danger here, and this right here is my attainable $10,000 dream car. It's a E92 335, and essentially right after I bought it, it punched me in the face. I don't know if you can tell, but my left eye, it still hasn't fully recovered. I should probably get that checked out. But anyway, on paper, for less than 10,000 bucks, there's really nothing that can compete except the electric water pump. Well, let me just show you. Oh my God, was something living in here? Oh God. Well, yes, the electric water pump, which is known to fail, failed. And this car has pretty much been sitting for the last year. In fact, you can tell this hood, yeah, it needs a lot of attention. So I'm gonna take the car to our boy Fran at Straight Ace Wraps, who is going to detail this thing. I mean, look how dirty this is. And get this nice and dialed, because I wanna show you guys the good, the bad, and the ugly of owning your dream attainable $10,000 car. E92 335i. Let's get a cold start. And I want to explain why I'm going to be selling this thing. It's been a good year. Well, not really, it's just been sitting, but I got bigger projects and I need your help. BMW, but straight BMW stuff right off the bat. I haven't driven this thing in a little bit, and all 4 tires are low. Yeah, this thing needs to go. Kind of ironic. This is the first time I've driven this beast in a few months, and there's a backstory as to why I love the E90X BMWs so much. And I'll get into that in just a minute, and why I thought this was going to be the ideal example of that platform. Hey guys, right now at Ideal, we are giving you the choice of over $100,000 in cars. Either this Mark V Supra dripping in carbon with a few overnight parts from Japan, or this collector GT350 with aftermarket exhaust specifically designed to piss off your neighbors. Oh, man. Oh guys, and here is the kicker. If you're seeing this ad right now, every purchase also gets you entered to win $100,000 in cold, hard cash. That's right, for the cost of a hat, a shirt, or a quick entry pack. You could either win this high horsepower American muscle car or this tuna no crust legend. So what are you waiting for? Lock in your entries by smashing the link down below, and good skill. Well, it actually looks like we beat the man, the myth, the legend, Fran, and his wife Isabel at Straight Ace Wraps here. But now that it is a little bit warmer, well, you can tell how dirty she is. I mean, this hood, I don't even know if he's gonna be able to save her, because it has very good bones, and once it's detailed, well, it's gonna really look good. Or dare I say, ideal. But I'm waiting for my ride, because that's part of the reason that we have to, we gotta sell this thing. Now, for all the OG subscribers, you may have remembered that I owned one of the best BMW engines ever made, the E90 M3 with the beautiful V8. And yeah, it sounded insane, like full body goosebumps. Windows down, redline it, and it just feels like some type of insane. But here's the problem that no one talks about. That power, well, it all lives way up high in the revs. So you're constantly chasing it. You're wringing the car's neck just to kind of feel fast. And if you're not above 6,000 RPM, it honestly kind of feels, well, flat. And honestly, that's kind of what planted the seed, because everyone was screaming about that V8, and there was this other BMW engine quietly building a cult following, the N54. And let me show you that real quick. God, look at that intake. Now, this thing is a twin turbo straight 6. It's kind of known as the German 2J. I remember thinking, what if I had something that actually pulls down low, something that shoves you in the seat without begging for revs? So yeah, about a year ago, this thing pops up, a 2007 BMW 335i, under 10,000 bucks, and not just any BMW 335i. This one has all of the Dinan goodies. We're talking tune, intake, suspension, even a full Dinan exhaust. Yeah, someone had already spent all of the money. And I got to swoop it up like a bandit. So yeah, I bought it. I drove it home, and instantly, yeah, I got it. So yeah, we're breaking this thing down, the good, the bad, and yeah, the ugly. Well, the ugly truth. And let's get straight into why I'm actually gonna take photos today and sell it. It's because I bought a Toyota with a BMW engine, believe it or not, and you can actually win it. So click the link down below in the pinned first comment and you can get 2,000 bonus entries with any purchase you make on the site. And what I'm gonna do with the money that I get from selling this Dinan 335i is I'm gonna use the money, well, in a really good way. I'm gonna tune the B58 in the Supra. But this N54 is no slouch either. Let me show you. Yeah, this is one of those motors that just feels alive. Twin turbo, straight six, 3 liters, and more importantly, torque like real twist. You just barely breathe on the throttle and this thing goes. No waiting, no drama, no hang on, let me downshift 3 gears. It just punches. And compare that to the E90 M3, this feels fast in normal driving. Not track fast, not look at my dyno sheet fast. I mean, real world. Roll into it at 3,000 RPM and it just shoves you. And here's the crazy part. This engine is so stupid tunable. People throw around German 2J as a joke. It is not a joke. Downpipes, tune, fueling, boom, 400 horsepower easy. Then push it harder, 600, 700, even more. And that's why this thing has such a cult following, because for the money, there's almost nothing that touches it. Now let's talk about the chassis, because this is where the car really wins you over. The E9X platform, man, this is peak BMW. Hydraulic steering, perfect weight balance, everything just feels connected. You turn the wheel and the car actually talks to you. Not like the modern cars where it's like, yeah, bro, I'm turning, just trust me. No, you feel the road, you feel the grip, you feel everything. And this one, with the Dinan suspension, this might be some of the best suspension I've ever felt on a street car, period. I'm serious, it's firm, it's not punishing, it's planted, but still playful. You can daily it, but the second that you hit a back road, it just comes alive. This is the kind of car where you take the long way home every single time. And then there's the vibe, the interior. Yeah, this thing just feels analog. No giant screens, no fake engine noises, no weird driving modes you never use, just steering wheel, gears, boost, that's it. And honestly, that's what makes it feel special, because cars like this, they're not made anymore. Okay, so now let's talk about the bad, because if you know anything about the N54, you already know where this is going. Reliability, or lack thereof. When this engine works, it is incredible. When it doesn't, it makes you question your life choices. High pressure fuel pump issues, injectors, turbo wastegates, cooling system. It's not if something ever goes wrong, it's when. Like the water pump, which I had to wait multiple months to get it fixed, and that's why this car, well, it looked like when you saw it first. And honestly, the worst thing is it's never just one thing. It's like you fix something and the car's like, cool, here's 3 more problems. And then there's the ownership anxiety, because every time you drive it hard, there's this little voice in your head. Was that noise always there? Is that boost dropping? Am I about to spend 2,000 bucks? It's kind of part of the experience, and honestly, you kind of have to be okay with that, because if you're expecting Toyota reliability, well, you bought the wrong car. Also, let's be real, this is still an older BMW, so you're dealing with random electrical quirks, interior wear, little things breaking for no reason. Nothing catastrophic, but enough to remind you, yeah, this is not a new car. Now, the ugly. Here's the part nobody wants to say out loud. This car, it is a ticking time bomb if you ignore it, because the N54 rewards people who stay on top of their maintenance and absolutely punishes people who don't. Cheap parts, really bad idea. Skip maintenance, even worse. Try to cut corners, yeah, you're gonna pay for it. And the other ugly truth, the market is starting to catch on. These used to be cheap. Cheap now? Clean ones? Modded ones? Sorted ones? Prices are creeping up, which sounds great until you realize that means people are buying them, beating on them, and dumping them. So finding a good car like this one is getting harder. But here's the biggest ugly truth for me. I don't want to sell this car. I really don't. Because every single time that I drive it, it reminds me why I love cars in the first place. I mean, it's raw, it's imperfect, it's so much fun. But I got something else now. A Toyota with a BMW heart, the B58, the new German 2J. And I already know that platform, it's everything the N54 wanted to be. More reliable, more refined, more potential. So this is the end of a chapter. So yeah, I just picked up this beautiful, beautiful silver E92 335i, my budget dream car from Detail. it's sitting here just looking absolutely perfect. Paint popping, interior so clean, it smells so good. And yet here I am taking photos and I'm about to list it. And honestly, if you're thinking about one, well, honestly, do it. Just go in with your eyes wide open, because when it's good, it's really good. And when it's bad, well, yeah, you better have a backup plan. And hey, if you want to get something that gives you that same turbo punch without that constant stress, I might have something for you, because right now you've got a shot at winning that Supra or a Shelby GT350. And that Supra essentially takes everything great about this and fixes everything wrong with it. So check the pinned comment down below, find your ideal car, and maybe, just maybe, you can skip the headache and go straight to the dream. So guys, let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of the 335i with the N54? Is it a ticking time bomb, or is it one of the best values out there right now? I wanna see all your responses down in the comments down below. Also, help us hit 2 million subscribers this year by hitting like and subscribe down here. I love this car. I just have different things going on in my life right now, and it doesn't make any sense for me to keep it. So message me if you wanna buy it. And check out some of these ideal vids over here, and scroll Auto Tempest down below in the pinned first comment as well to find a cheap 335i. I'm Brad Danger, this is Ideal, and we'll catch you next week, and promise me one thing, keep living the ideal lifestyle.